So this is one of the most holy days in the Balinese calendar, Kalasan. Here behind us you see the guys offering and praying to the gods. So it's a very beautiful and sacred place here. So talking about beautiful, this Lawar is very sacred to me and it's one of my favorite dishes. So first of all, I'm gonna put in my chili as I've fried off, add in some deep fried shallots, a little bit of shrimp paste, fried garlic. And I'm gonna give that a little bit of a mix together. Then I'm gonna add in my Kalasan dressing. Oh, it smells of Bali. Love that smell so much. Then we're gonna add in our long bean, our jackfruit, shredded coconut. Now I'm gonna add in a little bit of Balinese lime. And I'm just gonna mix this through. There we go. Look at that Lawar. What they also use is they take the tum and they chop some of it up and mix it through the Lawar as well, which I'm going to do here. So that's just going to give a lot more flavor. Look at this. You can have a look at here how beautiful it is and how it's lovely and minced up. Oh, maybe we taste it. Magic. Oh, I love Balinese food. Now I'm going to place this on here. Look at this. This is a complete Kalasan fiesta.